Dear students and parents, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are fine. Today our topic is set representation. Today we will study that in how many ways we can represent a set. First method we will study is descriptive method. In this method a set is described by well-defined words. For example, 4 sports channels on TV. Next form we have is tabular method. It is also known as roster method. When there are only a few elements of a set, the tabulation or roster method is used to denote the set. In this method, the elements of the set are all listed between a pair of curly brackets and separated by commas. For example, if we have the set of whole numbers between 1 and 10, we maybe write it as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next method we have is set builder form or set builder method. In this method, the property satisfied by the elements of the set is given instead of listing them. Here we will see the example x such that x is a natural number and x is less than 8. This symbol of 2 dots stands for such that. We can read it as A is an element set of elements x such that x is a natural number and x is less than 8. Now we will came to our exercise 1b. Question number 1 we have is write the following in tabular form. A part we have is a set of 4 reptiles. We will write it as, first of all, we will give the name to the set in capital letter. I write it as A. Now we will represent the equality sign and then we will start the set from the braces. Then we will write the name of 4 reptiles. I am going to write it as snake, comma, lizard, comma, crocodile, comma, frog, and then bracket close. B part we have is a set of counting numbers less than 5. I will write it as B. I have given the name of this set B. Sign of equality, braces 1, 2, 3, 4 and braces close. Question number 2 we have. Give 3 ways of describing the following set. A part we have is a set of 3 reasons for global warming. The first method of describing the set is descriptive form. So, first of all, we will represent our set in descriptive form. In descriptive form, as we know that the elements are described by well-defined words. So we will write it as A is equals to curly braces, a set of 3 reasons for global warming, braces closed. Second method we have is tabular method or roster method. In this form, the elements of the set are listed between a pair of curly brackets and separated by commas. Now we will write the set as A is equals to curly braces, air pollution, comma, deforestation, comma, chemical waste, and curly braces closed. Next form we have is set builder notation. In set builder notation, the property satisfied by the elements of the set is given. So we will write it as A is equals to curly braces X such that X is a cause of global warming and curly braces closed. All the questions of this exercise will be solved in the same manners. Thanks all of you students. You may keep praying from Allah to keep us safe and all the people of the world from the present pandemic of COVID-19. Thank you.